Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Children, all of you take out your English workbooks. Okay, have you all done your homeworks? Yes? Okay, we have done up till English 3.4 exercise. Oh, isn't it? Now we are doing 4.1 exercise here. Okay, 4.1 exercise. All of you take out page number 7. Okay, here, see there. Trace the letters and words on the dotted lines. You have to trace out the letters on the dotted lines. Okay. One is done for you. See there. First F. You have to, F already written, F for family. F-A-M-I-L-Y family. Next one H. H for, you can write home. H-O-M-E, home. C for K. C-A-R-E, care. P-E-T, pet. Okay. E, enjoy. E-N-J-O-Y, enjoy. F, friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Okay, children. Now all of you write down in your workbooks. And today's homework is draw and color a picture of any one word given above. Okay. Of all these, you have to write one of the name here and color it. Okay, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. If you are written, you have to color that. You have to color the letters. All the letters you have to color with your own, your interest. Okay, children? This will be the homework. First, write down in your workbook all this. Okay, children, have you all completed? Now all of you open your textbook. Okay, all of you open your textbook. Buddy, my dog, first page. So now I am going to go through full lesson once. Okay, I will read once full lesson. Keep your fingers. Okay, and wherever I will tell you to underline the words, you have to underline. Is that clear? And those words you are going to write dictation in your next class. Remember that. Okay, children, is that clear? You have to write dictation in your workbook. Those words which are underlined, you have to write dictation. When I say you the word, you have to write it in your workbook. Where, open your first page in your workbook. See your first page. Dictation part is there. Here you will be writing the words which I will dictate you. Is that clear? So all of you pay concentration and underline the words. Okay? Now, listen and say aloud. Everybody have to repeat after me. Children, all of you repeat after me. Okay? Say aloud. A-T, at. These are all short A sound words. We have to repeat it. A-T, at. A-M, arm. A-N-T, ant. C-A-T, cat. M-A-N, man. W-A-G, wag. H-A-V-E, have. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Got it? Now, look at the picture. All of you keep your finger and read fastly. We will go through fast. Look at the picture. What do you see? How many people are there in your family? How many people are there in your family? What do you like to do together? Okay? What do you like to do together? Say, how many people are there in your family? Yes, you might be 4. You might be 5. Isn't it? Or if you are joint family, you might be 6. Yes? Or 8. Isn't it? Okay. How many people are there in your family? Okay. What do you like to do together when you are all together? What you will do? You will have some fun. You can enjoy with your family members. Yes? Okay. Let us read a story about a girl named Ammu and her family. Okay? This is her family. Ammu's family. Okay? Ammu is telling her story. Family story. See, this is the photo. All of you know, no? Okay. Keep your finger. Hello. My name is Ammu. Okay? Underline Ammu, all of you. Ammu. A-M-U, Ammu. Look at this picture. Picture. Underline picture. Of my family. Look at this picture of my family. Did you underline picture? Yes. It has my father, Harman Singh. My mother, Saroj. Underline father, mother. Father, mother. Sister, Simi. And then there's me. Also meet our small brown dog. Brown. Underline brown. Buddy. Brown dog, Buddy. Okay children, next one. Every morning. E-V-E-R-N-I-N-G. Every morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. My mother, G-I-V-E-S, gives a cup of milk and a bone. Here, morning. Underline morning. Okay. Then, Buddy. Here see. Every morning, my mother gives a cup of milk and a bone to Buddy. Okay. She wags. Her tail. Wags. Underline wags. Then underline Ammu, picture, father, mother, sister, brown, Buddy, friend. Then morning. Okay. Up till here over. Next. She wags also. Underline wags her tail when she sees the bone. Okay. My father takes her for a walk. Okay. My father takes her for a walk every evening. Underline evening. A small cat comes to our home. Okay. Next one. Every time Buddy sees him, she says, woof, woof. Okay. The cat says, when she sees him, the cat says, the dog will say woof, woof. Then the cat will say meow, meow. Okay. And sister and I give the cat some milk. Buddy runs after the cat and chews on her bone. Okay, choose. Underline choose. Okay. Then we all laugh watching them play together. This is my family. All of you got it now? So here what is happening here? Every morning my mother gives a cup of milk and a bone to Buddy. She wags her tail when she sees the bone. My father takes her for a walk every evening. A small cat comes to our home. Okay. Every time Buddy sees him, she says oof oof. The cat says meow meow. Sister and I give the cat some milk. Okay. Buddy runs after the cat and chews on her bone. Okay. We all laugh watching them play together. This is my family. Everybody have to read once by your own. Okay children, you have to underline. All these I told you now. Here wax, evening, morning. Okay, here again choose and family. Okay, I have written on the board. Just copy it there. Okay. Once check it out, underline properly, and out of these I will give you dictation. Children, your homework is you have to write one of the name. Okay, maybe home, maybe family, maybe friend, anything, and you have to color it. Okay, then you have to read all the new words I have told you now to underline. It's for dictation, that too in your workbook. Okay, you should not see and write. Okay, afterwards I will tell you the next lesson. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.